He's 7 now. When he started this, he'd be at it non-stop. First thing in the morning, last thing at night, at meal times, in the bath. We were worried he'd injure himself.
I teach him the fundamentals, and after that he started to study in the net all the fine things, and nowadays he's teaching me.
Do you watch your father when he goes on?
Probably yes, but that's not always very nice to see. He does too many mistakes. Maybe I should compete that way, that I do with feet and he does with 2 hands, so then he has some chances.
Give it a good scramble. Don't make it too easy for me. Scramble is pretty good, but I can't still solve it. I'll show you how to do it.
My name is Grade Ooms. I live in the Netherlands. I am the oldest people here, and I was 64 years old. This training for your head is very good.
Wow.
Oh, lucky!
Oh, it's great!
1:25. This is nice.
This is your best.
This is my best time, yes. Every people is a friend for you. You see this? Hello, hello. In Rome, in Poland. It's nice. Everybody is your friend.